Hey, hello, Sambit. Hi, everyone. Today we have with us Sambit, and Sambit has successfully ventured into the field of data science, right? And he's working with one of the companies with which I also worked in the past, ITC Infotech, Indian Tobacco Corporation Infotech.
Yes.
It's very nice to know that you're working with ITC Infotech, and even interesting part is that you have successfully ventured into the space of data science, and you are a motivation for many people, right? No doubt about that. A lot of
Uh,
people are getting trained, but not everyone gets a job, because to get a job you need perseverance, right? You need to continuously strive. Only
yes.
then can you
That,
get into this field of data science. A lot
right.
of people assume that I got trained so I'll automatically get a job. No, that's not the case, right? You'll have to remember the concepts, you have to put those concepts into practice and all that. So can you let us know what is your educational background, and how did this 360 Digit MG training actually help you, Sambit, in terms of getting into the field of data science?
Yeah. Yeah. Thanks, Barani. Thanks for giving me this opportunity to express my thoughts and over this success story. So I come up from B.Tech. My basic education, if I come like after 12th, I did B.Tech in electrical engineering in the year 2015. Then after working in education sector as a lecturer, then I tried to switch to data science domain as I was getting a lot of many of my friends who are working in IT industry. They are saying that this sector of data science and data analysis is getting more importance nowadays because the world is moving towards AI and everything will be getting automated. And so I developed interest in it. So in meanwhile, I could came across with the curriculum of 360 DGTMG, and I joined one of the data science program batch in 6 January 2020, and it was moreover 3 to 4 months of training and followed by assignments and internships. So that was a great learning here, and I could be able to know what sort of things we need to actually learn before giving data science interviews. So basically, like this was all I came to know about 360 DGTMG, and yeah, that's what I can say.
Wonderful, wonderful. So you were into non-IT background. This is one of the myths which a lot of people have, right? That you need to be from IT or computer science background
Right, right.
to get into data science. But you have proven, not many people have proven in the past. Now you have proven that AI is industry agnostic and education agnostic, basically. And how do you think the internship projects that you have worked on helped you in terms of cracking the interview, Sambit?
Yeah, so when I was doing intern at 360, so there we were able to get a lot of industry related projects. So one of my projects was into NLP side. So me along with my other interns were working with that project. So basically, whatever we learned and whatever we got trained from the classroom training program, so we applied those concepts in the that project, and it was really a lot of things able to learn from that project. So basically, it helped us in clearing all our concepts and whatever things we have learned, that we can put it practically into the environment that we had never expected. So the learning is a different thing, and doing executing the same thing in a practical scenario, that is a different thing. So if it gets collaborated, and definitely it works. And I could say like a lot of learning was there, and it was a teamwork, and we implemented the project, and it was hosted in also in YouTube. So that was a great experience from that project as well, and a lot of things we experienced from that also.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much, Sambit, on your project. Yeah, we were giving or we were requesting our students who completed the project to come on the YouTube channel and then talk
Right.
about the project that they have accomplished, right? Good, good. So nice to know. And Sambit, final question, without holding you back for long. if you were to give one single most important suggestion to the students who are undergoing this training or who have completed the training, right?
Okay.
One single suggestion on what should they do in order to get into the field of data science, in order to crack the interviews. What would that one single suggestion be, Sambit, the most important one?
Yeah, so coming to this, I could say like the students that who are coming to this field. So obviously this it's something new. So they have to learn the basics of Python programming. And coming to data structure, they should have control over one database, that is SQL or SQL Server or any of them. So at least one database, and Python programming is must. So owing to that, also concepts of statistics is also important when we are going to the field of machine learning and AI. That would really help you in cracking interviews. And the classroom assignments that has been prepared by 360 that would really help you a lot, because those are really that helps in solving, not only is clearing your doubts, but also helps in implementing the concepts in real world scenario. So I would really recommend students to, once they go through the curriculum, then they do solve the assignments and work into projects. Projects will really help them in making their concepts clear and make their understanding on any topic in a thorough way. So that I could recommend. And the second thing is perseverance. So we should keep doing hard work on a regular basis. At least give 3 to 4 hours of time daily, so that you would not forget those concepts. And whatever lectures we are learning on the same day, try to revise those lectures and implement the things. Practice at least 1 hour Python programming from HackerRank or other coding platforms. Try to solve any one Kaggle project and put it in GitHub, or make a repository. That would really make a portfolio that you can prepare, and that will make you impressive. That profile will be impressive when it comes in shortlisting for many of the companies. So that I could recommend, that I have been following those steps. And keep learning, as learning it's a continuous process. So one should keep learning all in new concepts, as this field is more into research. So the students should learn something new, what all new things are coming up into this world of data science. So that's all I can say. And rest is hard work and smart work that will make us to crack the interviews.
Absolutely, absolutely. Thank you so much, Sambit. So the key thing which Sambit was highlighting was perseverance, right? Perseverance,
Okay.
right? Continuously keep practicing things.
Correct, correct.
Never get bogged down. Never get surrounded by negative people. Negative people are always naysayers. They always keep saying that this is not possible, that is not possible, this is bad, that is bad. But then look at Sambit, for example, right? Despite being from non-IT background, he decided to upskill himself into the most emerging field, and he has done it successfully. And now he is working with ITC. So more strength to you, Sambit, and I'm sure you're going to scale up in your career and you're going to do amazing things.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Sambit, for sparing your time and
Thank you so much. Thanks for
giving key insights.
Yeah, thanks. Bye bye.
See you. Bye.